Pika Labs just announced that they just launched PikaSwap. Replace anything in your videos using photos you upload or scenes you describe. The results are unbelievable, and the possibilities are unlimited as your imagination. So, as you see in some of these examples, they're able to turn different pets that they may have into different animals. So let's say you had a cat, you can turn that cat or a dog into a lizard, which is pretty cool. You can also transform yourself into a Cyclops using a photo, or give yourself fate tats. They even had one where it was like this chip and they turned it into a bug and that person's eating it, which is interesting. But you can even swap yourself out in the scene, so you can use this to, well, be a scene in the video, almost like Google, and you can swap yourself out of it. So it's like, hey, if you want somebody else to be in there, or you may think it's funny to add yourself into maybe a meme or something, you could. These video models are getting really good to the point where PikaSwap, even though it may seem kind of gimmickish, to be able to select one thing or just include yourself into a scene is pretty good. And they just did one earlier where you can add something else into a scene altogether that wasn't already there. I did one previously where I added Trump with Meg Thee Stallion as usual twerking, and it was kind of funny if you ask me. Pika Labs is definitely making some really good products that are not just for filmmakers, but could just be for any person who wants to have fun on social media in general. I think these are going to definitely be a game changer, especially if you wanted to change different aspects of a scene for filmmakers. This is actually going to be pretty good, and can even compete with Viggle, because unlike Viggle, where I think it's more so they're masking the character, this seems like they're more so regenerating the entire person, using the image in the video as like driving forces for the new generation. But it's not a one-to-one where they're masking out a person and then putting a wrap around that person or a skin on that person. This is like, hey, we're using these as driving frames, but we're generating a new video. At least that's how I think about it. It could be how Viggle works though, as Pika Labs could be just taking the same type of approach as Viggle, but I highly doubt it. Tell me what you think down in the comments below. But if you want to keep up with the latest and greatest AI news, you should definitely like and subscribe. With that being said, your boy Dex9Dexter out.